and welcome to my another video where we make cabin crew from scratch. Hello, my name is Diksha, your cabin crew coach, and welcome to Crew Excellence. So today in this video we are going to discuss about recent topics, recent questions that have been asked in various interviews by Indian Airlines specifically. यानी अगर आप इंडिगो, एयर इंडिया, कासा, स्पाइस जेट किसी का भी इंटरव्यू देने का सोच रहे हो एंड यू आर कंफ्यूज व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दे आर करंटली आस्किंग, देन दिस इज द राइट video you have landed in. So now let's understand what all the questions they are asking and how you can answer them. I'm not providing you with the simple answers to memorize, I'm just providing you with the tips. Fair enough? Let's get started. Okay, so first question. Now there's a twist. They can ask you, tell me something about yourself which is not mentioned in your resume. Yes. Now here you don't have to get panic or confused. You will start with your name, but you will mention more about what type of a person or personality you are. Like you are a fun-loving person, you are a very interactive in nature. What are your basic major strengths? What is your life goal? You can also talk about a bit about your family that you haven't mentioned in your resume. Next question that they can ask you in general is about basics, like to know your communication, like how you traveled here, how you reached to the venue, how was your day, what's your daily routine looks like. That's a very basic question just to know your basic English communication skills. Now, major common questions everybody knows, you can easily find them, and I hope कि आपने वो prepare भी कर लिए होंगे, like why we should hire you, why you want to join this airline, where do you see yourself in next 5 years and so. तो वो तो आपके at least prepare होने चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पर तो HR expect करता है कि आप उनको एक prepared, well prepared answer दो. क्योंकि अगर आपके ये भी प्रिपेयर नहीं है, जो हर जगह अवेलेबल है आंसर्स और बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चंस हैं, बहुत सालों से पूछे जा रहे हैं, देन यू आर रियली नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड. Now let's come to unique and different questions that they are asking currently. Okay, so first question is they can ask you about your qualities, like what are the major strengths that you have or major quality that you have which makes you a better or a fit candidate to be a cabin crew. Here you will be mentioning maximum three skills or strength that are majorly required to be a cabin crew. इसमें आप communication skills, team management skills, time management skills अपने मेंशन कर सकते हो. Then they can ask you about psychological questions, like how you handle stress, how you handle rejections in your life, how you handle failure in your life. Okay, so here you will always answer in a positive note. Next questions that they can ask you are related to the requirements, like are you willing to relocate to anywhere in India? Can you work in team or you prefer working individually more comfortably? There are flexible time hours. Are you aware about it? How will you do the time management during this phase of your life or during this profession? So वो इस टाइप के questions भी पूछ सकते हैं. इनमें हमेशा अपने हाँ करनी है कि हाँ मैं relocate कर सकती हूँ, हाँ मैं time management कर सकती हूँ, हाँ मैं I understand this, I know about the requirements and I am okay with that and I will manage that. Always say yes in the interview. Simple. Okay. Another questions that they might ask you are like who inspires you the most, what is your turning point, what is your biggest achievement. Then they can also ask you questions like what are the challenges people face while learning any new language. Okay, now then come up with the situational based questions. Now situational based questions are the hypothetical questions. They will give you a situation or ask you for a situation just to know कि आप वो skills और strength को practicality में कैसे implement करेंगे. So they can ask you, if you had to work on a 16-hour flight, how would you deal with stress after such a long flight? What will you do if a passenger is unsatisfied with your service or being rude to you for no reason? Then they can ask you about the profession as well, how much you know about the profession, like what do you understand by the roles and responsibilities of being a cabin crew, what are the challenges faced by cabin crew. Apart from that, they can ask you what do you understand by excellent customer service. They can also give you a situation like your cabin manager have asked you to do something which is against the SOPs or the rules of the company, but they have asked you to do. What will you do? How will you react to that thing? Okay, so the point here is they can ask you any question. इसके अलावा भी वो कुछ questions पूछ सकते हैं पर मेजरली जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपकी पर्सनालिटी, आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ और आपके स्किल सेट्स के बेसिस पर ही होगी. सिमिलर से आप कुछ क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. काफ़ी आंसर्स को आप डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस में ऐड ऑन कर सकते हो. जैसे अगर आपने एक इंट्रोडक्शन प्रिपेयर कर लिया, आप वो कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं आपसे रिलेटेड, वेयर दे आर ट्राइंग टू नो अबाउट यू, हु यू आर, व्हाट योर पर्सनालिटी इज, आप उनमें ऐड कर सकते हो. Prepare one answer regarding the skill sets and strength, majorly talking about 3 major skills or strength that you need to be a cabin crew. वो आप अपने सभी questions में fit कर सकते हो, like what are the 3 skills required to be a cabin crew, why we should hire you, what are the qualities you possess to be a cabin crew. So इस type का कोई भी question होता है आप उसके अंदर वो ये answer fit कर सकते हो. Get it? So that's how you can prepare few answers and you can fit them into any questions asked by them. I hope you have now some idea about what types of questions they are asking and what to prepare. बहुत ज़्यादा common basic questions, stop preparing them. Don't take tension about any technical questions being asked. बस इस टाइप्स के क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर करने हैं. एक लिस्ट बना लो. व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट कलर, व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन, व्हाट्स योर टर्निंग पॉइंट, व्हाट मेक्स यू हैप्पी, what makes you sad, who inspires you the most, where you want to go, what's your hobby, or whom you are close with in your family. They also ask you these types of questions.